Hello, Namaskar. It's Gujarat Tourism Series, and let's have a look on top tourist place to visit in Narmada district, Gujarat. Number one, Statue of Unity. Statue of Unity is masterpiece, incredible architecture and design. Every Indian is proud to have world's tallest statue in India, 182 meters higher than the previous record holder, China's Spring Temple Buddha, overseeing the majestic Saror Dam backwaters. Buy online tickets prior visit. Strict no outside food allowed and sharp evening closure timing, so plan accordingly. Free bus services and free water availability. We had an amazing weekend trip to the Statue of Unity with our family. The statue's grandeur, scenic surrounding, and informative museum left us in awe. We enjoyed the boat ride, gardens, and walking trails. Friendly staff and well organized facilities made our visit smooth and enjoyable. Highly recommend this destination for a family vacation or weekend getaway. Number 2, Nilkant Gaudam. Such a beautiful temple, serene, loved the calmness of the atmosphere and overall vibe. The food court is overall great with its pricing, taste, space, and all. The marbles of the temple get very hot in the summer as I experienced today in the month of June, so don't forget to wear socks. Temple close around 1 p.m. to 4 p.m., so make your itinerary accordingly. The view of Narmada River is also very nice. There was a very little crowd in the morning and it was just perfect for me to experience the calmness of temple. I believe with all the lightings in the evening, this place will surely look quite good, but I had still preferred the morning visit. There are other services and other amenities available at temple like Mandir Prasadam, child swimming pool. Number 3, Ninai Waterfall. If you want to mesmerize with the nature, then it's best place where you get the best scenery of the waterfall and forest. But remember one thing, it's forest area, so keep all the necessary things like food, water, etc. with you for the better explore of place and don't miss to wear shoes. Naina waterfall is situated around 80 km from Rajpipla and 40 from Dediapara town in South Gujarat. Waterfall is inside the Sulpaneswar Wildlife Sanctuary. From parking, one need to walk down approx 150 steps to see the waterfall. There is a basic shop at the entrance and no food available nearby, so carry your own food. We visited the fall during monsoon and water level was at its peak. Parking charges are 30 rupees. Number 4, Zarwani Waterfall. Best waterfall for Gujarat. You can easily go there by your own car or you can go by SOU transportation. As per person, Statue of Unity Eco-Tourism bus charge 400 of. If you are going by your own car, then charges 500 to 6%. After then you want to walk for 300 meters to see the best view. The fall is deep inside the jungle. It comes under Sulpaneswar Wildlife Sanctuary. From Surat, it was almost 380 kilometers to and fro. Mobile network is very poor here and nothing to eat around, so carry your own stuff to drink and eat. Reaching towards the fall is little bit adventurous. First, passing after the checkpost, you have to drive inside the jungle. It will give you off-roading feel as the ascent on the hill is rough. Secondly, last more than 1 kilometer you have to walk over the sides of the stream coming from the waterfall and some place you have to pass through it when it could be deep up to your knees, so wear good sandals or sleepers. Flip-flop will not give you better gripping. I even managed to climb up the falls but will not suggest you doing that as rock don't have good grip. Also, when it rain here or above region, the flow gets huge and made us feel to go back. Number 5, Statue of Unity, Unity Glow Garden. The Unity Glow Garden is another spot to cover in your trip to Statue of Unity. It's like stepping into the magical world filled with glowing animals and plants. Imagine seeing deer, birds, flowers, and seating arrangements made of shiny materials that light up in the dark. The garden is huge and you can spend hours walking around taking pictures and just enjoying the beautiful sights. It's perfect place to visit with friends or family. Trust me, you will love it. Unity Glow Garden is a captivating destination that comes alive after dark. Its sprawling grounds are adorned with a lot of plants and mesmerizing luminous sculptures and installations that create a magical ambience. Whether you are a child or adult, you will love the vibrant colors and intricate design. The garden offers a delightful blend of art and nature, providing a perfect setting for leisurely strolls and family outings. As you wander through the expansive space, you will be treated to breathtaking views of iconic Statue of Unity also. The cool evening air make exploring the garden a pleasant experience. A visit to Unity Glow Garden is a must for anyone seeking a unique and unforgettable night out. Number 6, Swaminarayan Temple. Amazing architecture of this temple in Poicha, Gujarat is noteworthy. Temple has beautiful clear water ponds surrounding it. There are many fountains, gardens and huge idols around the temple. Definitely worth the visit. Most fascinating and extraordinary Swaminarayan Mandir in Gujarat, spread over large area and very well designed. Beautiful idols depicting various stories in Hindu mythology, great lighting and decorations, all necessary facilities like food court, washrooms, seating place are provided. It's very beautiful place. Swimming pool, games, shows are conducted there, and it have a food court also. It has hotel where we need to book rooms advance because generally it is full, and it is between Statue of Unity and Anand, so I think it is best. Number 7, Children Nutrition Park. Children Nutrition Park aims to provide nutrition related information in a fun way so that kids understand the reason and benefits of consuming right kind of nutrition required by our body. Each station provides unique information, dairy, veggies, fruits, etc. Lot of visuals, charts, games available to educate kids. Cordial staff and ample parking available. During the visit, train plus move stations were not operational, so kindly check disclaimer while buying online tickets. This is the best among all the points that one can see at Kevadia. It is definitely meant for all age groups starting from the infant till the senior citizens. It is a train availability throughout the day that takes you from one place to another. It is more of education hub for young kids to understand the importance of the environment and nature. I would strongly recommend to have a such place in all the major cities. Number 8, Sardar Patel Zoological Park, Ekta Nagar. Nice place for children to make them aware about animals and birds. The entry ticket is 200 for adult, 125 for child, and you can spend quality time with family, and greenery is awesome. You can enjoy it very well. The best attraction point at Statue of Unity, filled with all type of animals. Center is very unique and filled with all type of birds which are kept in open and tourists can walk through it. Giraffe, hippopotamus, rhino, white deer, white tiger, black jaguar and all other animals can be seen here. Gold cart is also available which drops from one point to other. There is a very huge place and takes 3 to 4 hours easily. Do not miss this place. Carry caps or umbrella and water. The best time to visit is 8:30 in the morning when this place opens. Animals are at ease in the morning. Once the heat is up, then the animals also hide in shade. Number 9, Ekta Dinner Cruise. Had a wonderful time on Ekta cruise ship, which took me to see the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue from Narmada River. Cruise ship was spacious and comfortable with 2 decks and fixed seats. Staff was friendly and helpful. I enjoyed the view of the statue and the surrounding scenery as well as the leisure show and the cultural program on board. The cruise ship also had a souvenir shop and food stall for guests to shop and snack. The ride was smooth, relaxing and lasted about 40 minutes. So guys, these are top tourist places to visit Narmada district in Gujarat. I hope you like the video. If you like it, share and subscribe. If you have any comments, if you have any suggestion or feedback, feel free in comments. Jai Hind.